Hi, this is Tony from A+R Boilers, and today's video we're going to be talking now electric boiler installation, what we just carried out. So if you look down here, what was here was an old Powermax gas boiler. So this gas boiler, what was in this flat, this apartment, was very dangerous because of the flue system. So we had to take it out and put in this new electric combi boiler, what we just done. Now you can see the boiler took all that area up, the old boiler, so there's a lot of space used. Now you can see the space has been saved with this new wall-mounted appliance, what we've installed today. So the electrical supply to this boiler was very challenging. I'll show you how we had to run it. So what we did, we run it through the ceiling of this apartment. Now I'll show you where we run it from. So we run it from here, and you can see the cable going up. We have to make an access panel, a hole in the ceiling, nice and neat. And then the wire run all the way, which I'll show you now. Along here in this ceiling, what you can't see because it's nice and neat. We use this upper access panel to go across to the boiler. So going back to the old boiler, this boiler was very expensive to run because on these Powermax boilers, they're like a thermal store and they're constantly being heated up using a lot of gas. So in this boiler, it's a lot smaller, a lot economical. Though it is electric, it's only using a 2 kilowatt heater to heat up the hot water. So it's very energy efficiency. In fact, it's an A-rated appliance. So if you've got an old Powermax boiler and you need replacing, just click on this link and you'll go through to our website and you can get a quote for having one of these electric boilers in your property. So that's the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.